friends, today is a really special day. I am here at Suvarnabhumi International Airport of Bangkok and I am about to board one of the most premium long-haul flights I've ever taken. We are talking about full business class treatments, lounge access before the flight, fully flat seats and for sure a glass of champagne before takeoff. And here at the back is the star of today's video. EVA Air Boeing 787-10. We will discover the cabin, the food and the drinks, and no filters needed. Let's start that video with the check-in. If you go with EVA Air, you need to go to the check-in 9. Wow, that airport is quite big. I hope you will not get lost. Go to the check-in counter S. That's where EVA Air is going to take your luggage. Flying business EVA Air starts out really strong. They have 3 priority check-in counters. They have priority tags for my luggage and they have access to the private security area. Here at Bangkok International Airport, business class passengers have their own entrance. It's kind of private fast-track lane. Really quiet, no chaos, no crowds. I feel kind of VIP now. But as you all know, filming is not allowed in the security area. So let's see you at the EVA Air business class lounge. I'm now searching for the lounge. But if you're here on the airport, you have a lot of opportunities to go shopping. Everything is really clean and really nice. Maybe you can go here and buy a Rolex if you have enough money. I can already see the lounge in front. Yay! Approximately 15 minutes walk from the security check is the EVA Air lounge. It looks already really fancy from outside, so I'm excited to check it out for you. First stop, the buffet. They got a small buffet here with different kind of dishes from Thai to Taiwanese to international. I took a bit of everything, you know, only for research purpose. Full lounge mode. I'm now in the lounge and I checked out a bit. It's not big, it's really small here, but I like it's really quiet and the lounge is really fancy. So now I'm gonna test the first dish here. It's a pad Thai, served on a nice plate here, and I will have a Campari orange in the EVA Air glass. Small travel tip: if it's your first business class flight, don't eat too much in the lounge, because later you will get a lot on the airplane. Cheers, my friends. I'm now finished with my lounge time, so I'm heading to my gate. It was really comfortable in there. I will do a little rating. So I will give the lounge a 7 out of 10 points. The thing is, the lounge was really small and there was not a lot of food options, but I really liked the quiet time in there. The music was really nice and they had really comfortable lounge seats. So everything was okay. Could be better, but was good. Here at our back you see the star of today's video, Boeing 787-10, 342 seats, 34 in the Royal Laurel class. That's how EVA Air calls their business class. EVA Air is the national carrier of Taiwan and it's a 5-star rated airline. I'm really excited to board that plane now. Hello.
Go center right.
Thank you. Hello. 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 We are now boarding that airplane and hey, wow. That already feels more like a hotel than an airplane. The boarding was really good. I'm now in my comfortable seat, more like a cabin than a seat. My first impression is really, really good. I like the design. Really nice design. Let's have a smooth start and then a comfortable journey. Now we are already on our runway, so soon it's time to say bye bye Bangkok. I'm I'm really curious how smooth the start will be. I guess it will be really easy because it's a heavy airplane, big airplane, so it will be a smooth start for sure. And time 2. We are starting. Now we have a nice view here. Really cool, really comfortable start. Feels like a flying hotel room. Wow, really nice. Everything lightened up here. And you know what's really nice on that cabin here? We don't just have one window, we have like 2 windows. And the windows are really big. Definitely a nice feature in here. We reached our flying altitude and now it's time for the room tour. Let's say the cabin tour. On our left side we have the remote control for the seat. So you can choose between start and landing mode. Then you have the chill mode, like just press and the seat go in the TV mode. Then we have the flat bed mode. And you know what's really nice? We too have a massage function. Ooh, that's really nice. And then you have one button for do not disturb. The same control you have here too next to your seat. If you're in the flat bed mode, you can choose from here. So then we have the table here. We need to press here and then our dining table will come out. Here we have the remote control for the TV. Just press, pull it out, USB-C, and we have a power outlet here. Here is the plug-in for the earphones, and then here we have a nice compartment for storage. So now inside of here is the noise-cancelling headphones. Then we have our Amenity Kit. We will talk about that later. We have one bottle of water. Here we have the mirror. Before the dinner, it's time for champagne. EVA Air serves Laurent Perrier Grand Siècle. And together with the champagne, I got some nuts with a glass of champagne in my hands. Now it's time to test out the noise-cancelling headphones. They're really nice packed here. Thunder by EVA Air. Feels really good. I think it's high quality earphones. Ta-da! Take a look at that fine dining experience on 30,000 feet.
Got it correct?
Yes.
Anything else?
Uh,
The black only or the sour bread?
maybe sourdough. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Next one will be the soup. It's the cauliflower cream
Thank
soup.
you. Garlic bread. Really, really good. Olive oil. Some cute salt and pepper. Maybe a bit for the soup. Then we have butter here. So the first impressions of the dinner are really good. I like the soup, I like the garlic bread. I now got my main course, and on EVA Air you can choose from the menu you got on the plane as always, but you can too pre-order a meal. I did that. I pre-ordered big prawns, Sichuan style. Smell is really good. 4 prawns and the noodles and some bok choy. I will taste it. So they're marinated really good, but way overcooked. To the bok choy is just cooked in water, no salt. So yeah, sad. I thought the dining experience will be better. I was really hoping for some cheese splatter because it would perfectly pair to the Riesling from Germany, but for dessert we have a fruit platter, so now I will enjoy my fruits. So I want to talk a bit about my dining experience here, and for me it was, so it's not my first business flight at all. I did a lot, and this one was definitely the worst of all. There was only cauliflower soup, the main course, and fruits. I don't know, maybe it's because of the late night flight, but I was expecting much more from EVA Air, and so now I'm a bit disappointed, but I will enjoy the rest of the dinner. Then I will try the red wine. For red wine they offer 2 different kinds. One is 2019 Chateau Marquise de Terre, Margaux, France. So it's like Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot and Petit Verdot. That one I'm going to try. It smells really good. And the second one is a Spanish red wine, 2016 Condo Valdemar Reserva. I like it. So we have 30 minutes of Wi-Fi included. Then we have different packages. We have the light message plan, 30 megabyte for 4,495. Then we have the 100 megabyte for 14.95, and we have the business plan for 29.95 and the unlimited plan for 39.95. I'm now connected to the free Wi-Fi, so let's check out the speed. Oh, not that bad. Looks like 26 megabytes of download. After dinner it's time for presents. Amenity Kit, Giorgio Armani. I am really excited. Let's open my present. Wow. High quality leather case from Giorgio Armani. Let's see what's inside. We have here a dental kit, toothbrush and toothpaste. And we have a little cute comb with a mirror. Then we have earplugs. We have an aloe vera hand cream. Then we have a rose water mist. Wow, then we have a really nice sleeping mask. We have a little money bag, or I don't know what I can put in that, but this looks like real leather. Really nice. We have lip balm. I guess that was everything. Really high quality Amenity Kit. I am now moving to chill mode. See you tomorrow at the breakfast.
A wonderful good morning, my friends. I had a really good sleep here and now I'm ready for breakfast. Two options. You can choose the Chinese style breakfast. On that flight it's a Chinese plain congee. Or if you choose the Western style breakfast, there you have two options, the blue cheese quiche or the hazelnut crepe. I went for the blue cheese quiche. I will taste it out for you. So the breakfast will start with some fresh fruits. I have orange juice here. I got jam, butter, and for sure in the airplane, champagne. After they brought the fruits, they came with a selection of bread. I choose a croissant and a Danish. And they also brought me some yogurt, mango yogurt. Here is now the main part of the breakfast, the blue cheese quiche, served with some vegetables. Definitely it's really satisfying to have breakfast with that kind of view. Sun is rising, clouds shine blue sky. That's the perfect place for breakfast. We are now descending to Vienna and now it's time for the recap of that flight. I will rate everything a 4 out of 5 stars experience. So first of all, let's take a look at the good things. I really like the design of the cabin, so BMW made a really nice work. The seats have been really comfortable and the entertainment system had everything I need. Now let's take a look at the not so good things. So the dinner for me was not business class experience, it was more economy premium, only soup, main course and fruits. So I flight with Etihad business and the food there was much better. I don't know, maybe because it's the late night flight at 2 a.m. but it is how it is. The crew has been really friendly, they have been really attentive and always were around. I really hope you like that video. If that's the case, leave me a like. Write me something nice in the comments, maybe what airlines I should test out next. And if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. We see you at the next video. Bye bye.